Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Let's go.
Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making Southern stewed chicken. You will need 2 pounds of chicken, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 3 tablespoons of butter, 4 cups of chicken broth, 2 stalks of celery, 1 onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and canola oil for frying. Make sure you have thoroughly washed and dried your chicken. Season your chicken with the salt, pepper, and thyme. Now add the garlic powder and onion powder and mix until your chicken has been evenly coated. Add your oil to the pan and using medium heat, bring your pan to temperature. Now brown your chicken for 4 minutes on each side. Remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside until later. Remove most of the oil from your pan, leaving about 1 tablespoon, then melt your butter. Now saute the onion and celery for 3 minutes. Add the garlic and continue to saute for an additional minute. Now add your flour and allow it to cook until it has reached a rich brown color. Pour in the chicken broth, then season with your Cajun seasoning. Mix well, then bring your liquid to a light simmer. Return your chicken to the pan, cover, then reduce your heat to medium-low and allow your chicken to cook for 1 hour. After 1 hour, remove your lid, then simmer for an additional 15 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
Hello and welcome to my channel. Where I get to share with you the foods that I love to make and my recipes. A soul food cooking class, you will learn to craft